the molecule, which was called TMP-470 did. TMP-470 was a pretty nice molecule except for one thing. At the doses that was effective in people, it caused neurocognitive side effects. So you could either have your cancer treated or you could have your brain. But it's a tough question. Not really. So it didn't make it. But here we're using doses that are actually 10,000 times less than the doses used for TMP-470. And you can see here from this MRI and the angiogenic map, my cold is getting to me, that the tumors were both smaller and the angiogenesis less. So the key is, it's not that it goes only to the target cell, but the preferential concentration of more drug at the target and less drug in other places produces a marked improvement in safety and efficacy. Now, I don't have the time to go through with it, but many of the drugs that we put into the membranes of these particles actually leaked out. Fumagillin stayed in. It was very hydrophobic, but I will say that even it leaks out. So one of the things we did was make a variety of different prodrugs, and finally we made the prodrug variety where we put the drug right here on the acyl side. This takes it off the membrane where it can have any interactions with the blood, so it eliminates the blood contact actions. And also when the particles deliver their drug through the contact facilitated mechanism, that hemifusion mechanism, this is delivered right to the outer membrane of the cell and then flips in automatically and distributes all the way through. And you probably don't realize it, but the cell is always looking for proteins it mismakes, DNA it mismakes, all these things. It looks for lipids that have problems too.